In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what Now Learning is and why it's relevant to me. If you're new to the ServiceNow space, ServiceNow is an excellent website, nowlearning.service-now.com. You can see it up there in the URL as well. And what this is kind of your one-stop shop for all things learning and certification related. Right now, we are looking at my personal Now Learning site. I've had to do some things to generalize it a bit so it's more relevant for some folks. But some of the things you'll notice right off the bat. Up here at the top, it's showing me my San Diego Delta certifications are now available, which means I need to get on my certification. Make sure you aren't leaving those Deltas to the last minute because something comes up and there are no extensions. It also gives me the opportunity right here to say, let's fix this. And you can go through and see some of the certifications that I have that I need to go ahead and fix. If my training administrator had assigned courses to me, they would display here. I can go back and see saved classes or classes I'm currently working on. I can get some recommendations down below for courses. You can see some of the achievements that I've got here. I can come up here in the search bar. I can search for a class. So if I don't know where to get the training, come in here and search for it. Under my certifications here, I can see my Get Certifications. I can get my certification verification. And then I can also look for my candidate journey guide as well. There's also some great help in here, some FAQs, some different things that I can look at. Hit my little trophy icon here. This is going to kind of take me through everything that I've currently completed, what I've got in progress, what I'm working on, what's active. I can get any alerts that I have in here. And the last thing that I can do, and yours will probably look different, but if you hit your initials here, you've got some access to some profiles and tasks. Because of my role at Thirdera with some of the training and administration certification that I do for our team, I do have a little bit more access, so yours will look slightly different. But in a nutshell, this is where you go for all things training and certification related. Frequently, I hear folks talk about they're not sure where to go, where to begin. This is your beginning. Get in here, get signed in through the Okta, and you can start searching for things if you're not finding what you need. Thanks for hanging out in this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.